You're making gourmet pizza on your grill. But how do you get it smoothly off the grill and onto your plate? Napoleon's professional Pizza Spatula is here to take your gourmet homemade pizza from the grill to the plate. Extend the life of your pizza stone by leaving it on the grill to cool completely. Use the Pro Pizza Spatula to easily remove your pizza without having to move or even touch the hot pizza stone. The wide, flat surface of the stainless steel head is not only durable and corrosion resistant, but its wide, flat surface fully supports your pizza for safe transport between the grill and your plate. The folding wooden handle keeps you from getting burned, remaining cool to hold and touch while removing your pizza from the grill, and folding up for convenient and compact storage when it's not in use. The Napoleon PRO Pizza Spatula is so easy to use. Just gently slide it under the pizza and lift. You can also use it to place your pizza creation onto a preheated stone. Just remember to use cornmeal under the raw dough for easy sliding. Don't risk losing your pizza to the ground or your pizza stone cracking from rapid cooling. The Napoleon PRO Pizza Spatula.